Today we're making a new case for the Opinel number 8. The original case was kind of generic and I made it a long time ago on a vacuum sealer. You can see that link down below. I started with a paper pattern and then transferred it to some leather. I fancied it up with a little bit of stamping, mahogany dye, and a quick buff. Wait a second, what's this? Did you say that stamp pattern looks different? Well, yeah, I screwed up the first version. Let's forget about that and just carry on from here. We'll buff this one out. As you can see, I added a swivel snap clasp and sewed along the edge. We'll add a Sigma snap to the flap. The snap is attached, so let's check the knife fit. There we go. Perfect. So now you can use the clip to attach it to your belt loop or anything else you want to attach the knife to. The knife is easy to remove from the case and goes back in just as simply. The little access hole allows the knife to be pushed from the bottom of the case if necessary. The natural leather of the case will conform to the shape of the knife over time. And what we end up with is a nice, unique take on the traditional Opinel case. So if you like this case and plan on making your own, how about you leave me a comment down below? As always, like and subscribe, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.